This is an awesome addition to the workshop. Let's make it. Beginning with these holes in the top. Now this tool is called the UJK Parf guide system, and it helps to lay out a gridwork of holes across any size workbench that you have. Follow up those pilot holes with a 20mm Forstner bit and it gives your workbench a ton of utility. I'll be using mine for two cases. Firstly, it's going to be a tilting carving bench, so I want to reinforce the underside with a sliding dovetail brace. With that secured, I can go and make the legs. Now it's a relatively simple design that has a series of holes placed at increments so that I can adjust the tilting angle, but it'll all make sense right here. You can see how it works. A bolt goes in, table lays down flat, and it's plenty strong enough for me to be able to chisel onto. Or I lay it down flat and use it to cut panels. This is awesome and it's called a super dog. They drop into a hole, expand out and become completely rigid, and I use this as a foundation to cut perfect 90 degrees consistently on a portable workbench. There's a link in the bio. Thanks for watching.